DKW F8 SAM represents a remarkable fusion of aviation engineering and automotive innovation, created in the 1950s-1960s by Władysław Okarmus, a distinguished Polish aircraft engineer and glider constructor. The story begins in Bielsko-Biała, Poland, where Okarmus worked at the experimental glider workshop from 1948, establishing himself as one of the most prominent glider designers whose projects, including the Foka, Cobra, and Jantar families, set national and world records. During post-war Poland, private car ownership faced severe restrictions, with limited availability and high costs forcing many enthusiasts to build their own vehicles. The automotive magazine Motor even encouraged this DIY approach through competitions called Samochód Amatorski Motoru, Motor's Amateur Car, which inspired Okarmus's project. The DKW F8 SAM's construction began in the early 1960s alongside Okarmus's glider work. The foundation came from a pre-war DKW F8, utilizing its frame, complete suspension, and drivetrain. The body design showcased Okarmus's aviation expertise, featuring a two-door coupe configuration with highly aerodynamic shapes, optimized for the original 20-horsepower, two-cylinder, two-stroke engine. The vehicle's construction demonstrated innovative material choices. The body combined epoxy glass laminate, a material commonly used in glider manufacturing, concealing a lightweight steel structure underneath. The floor panels utilized aviation-grade dural sheets to further reduce weight. Throughout the decade-long construction period, Okarmus continuously refined the design, incorporating components from various contemporary vehicles, including the Škoda Octavia Super, Wartburg 311, Jawa Perak, and Polski Fiat 125P. A significant transformation occurred in the 1980s when the car received a major upgrade. The original powertrain was replaced with a SAAB 96 engine, nearly doubling the power output. This modification also included new front suspension, brake system components, and wheel discs from the Swedish manufacturer, creating an interesting connection between two companies with strong aviation heritage. After Okarmus's death, the car passed to his daughter, Grażyna Okarmus-Gogawa. In 2009, collector Jacek Kowalewicz acquired and restored the vehicle. The DKW F8 SAM found its permanent home in 2023 at the Polish Aviation Museum in Kraków, acquired through funding from the Minister of Culture and National Heritage. It stands as the second passenger car in the museum's permanent collection, alongside General Donald Kutina's Buick Riviera, both representing the fascinating intersection of automotive and aviation history. The DKW F8 SAM's distinctive features include a hood scoop, large elliptical grille with round headlights, small turn signals, and rear fins housing taillights and trunk space. This unique vehicle embodies the resourcefulness of post-war Polish engineers and the creative application of aviation technology to automotive design.